Here today with Dr. Juan Martinez, orthopedic surgeon specialist. We're going to go over a couple of questions with Dr. Martinez, which we have found out are the frequently most asked questions in regards to getting services with our group. Dr. Martinez, what kind of medical training do you have?
Well, my first time at medical school was in Baja California University here in Tijuana. I went to medical school. I have a graduate in 2001. After that, I went to have my specialization course in Mexico City in one of the biggest hospitals of all Latin America, more than 400 beds. And then after that, I have some super-specialization on knee and hip surgery, foot and ankle surgery also, and joint reconstruction surgery too.
Thank you very much, doctor.